Are you ready, Appy?
Yeah, Api, I'm ready for.
Hi, Hriday. Where did you go yesterday?
I went to my uncle's house in Maypur.
Oh, really? What did you do there?
I helped my uncle in shop and had lunch with him.
That's nice. When did you return home?
I returned home at 9 o'clock at night.
Did you meet your cousin there?
Yes, I met him. We played football in the evening.
Great. Did you take any pictures?
Yes, I took my picture. I will show you tomorrow.
Why didn't you call me yesterday?
Oh, sorry, my phone was off.
No problem. I watched a movie last night.
Really? What movie did you watch?
I watched The Pursuit of Happiness. It was inspiring.
Sounds good. Let's watch another movie together next week.